Hello everyone. Let's dive into the ATMPC 10-inch Android 12 tablet. This tablet aims to deliver a solid experience without breaking the bank. First impressions are decent. The 10-inch display is a good size for various tasks, and the 1280 by 800 resolution is adequate for everyday use. The colors are reasonably vibrant, making video watching and web browsing enjoyable. While it's not the sharpest display on the market, it's perfectly acceptable for the price point. Under the hood, the tablet is powered by a quad-core processor and 6 GB of RAM, 2 GB physical plus 4 GB expandable. This combination ensures smooth multitasking and responsiveness for most apps. It handles productivity tasks, reading, learning, and entertainment without significant lag. The ATMPC tablet runs on Android 12, which is a plus. It provides access to the Google Play Store, allowing you to download your favorite apps and services. The GMS certification ensures a seamless and secure user experience. Storage-wise, the tablet comes with 64 GB of internal storage, which should be sufficient for most users. If you need more space, you can expand it up to 128 GB via TF card. One of the standout features of this tablet is its battery life. The 6,000 mAh battery provides up to 15 days of standby time or 6 hours of continuous use. This makes it a reliable companion for outdoor adventures or on-the-go work. The tablet also features dual cameras, a 2MP front camera and a 5MP rear camera. While the camera quality isn't exceptional, it's suitable for video chats and capturing quick photos. Connectivity is another area where the ATMPC tablet shines. It supports Wi-Fi 6, providing a fast and stable internet connection. Bluetooth 5.2 is also included, allowing you to connect wireless headphones, speakers, and other devices. Overall, the ATMPC 10-inch Android 12 tablet is a solid budget-friendly option. It offers a decent display, smooth performance, ample storage, and long battery life. If you're looking for an affordable tablet for everyday use, this is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.